India is on a mission to boost pulse production. The National Food Security Mission Pulses is the key. Launched in 2014, it's working wonders in 28 states and 2 union territories. Want more pulses? Better seeds are the answer. India created 150 seed hubs producing over 1 lakh quantities of quality seeds since 2016 to 17. ICAR is the Pulse Research Powerhouse. They have developed 343 new high-yielding pulse varieties since 2014. Imagine the harvest. Farmers get a fair price for their pulses thanks to PM Asha scheme. It includes price support scheme, price deficiency payment scheme and private procurement stockist scheme. India is the world's largest pulse producer, consumer and importer. Pulses cover 20% of our food grain area. Top pulse states are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. Thank you.